Okay, good afternoon, dear. Let's start today's whatever we want to discuss. So I hope you have completed your complete entire cycle of PT3, and now your internal assessment is over. And how to we calculate the internal assessment marks? You know, this time your exam is conducted into PT1, PT2, PT3. PT1, PT2, PT3. So PT1, PT1, PT3 will take only 5% weightage of best 2. Will take only 5% weightage of the best 2. And as it will have the multiple assessment also. One, 2, 3. Multiple assessment 1, multiple assessment second, multiple assessment third. That is known as the multiple assessment, and 5% weightage of multiple assessment will take. As it's same, best to average. Anyone best to will take the 5% of best to. And subject management, there are two exams of subject management 1 and subject management 2 will take the best 5%. Exit notebook submission, and notebook submission also known by the portfolio. So notebook submission to exam, edition exam is the two times you have submitted your copy will take the 5% of notebook submission. So through this your 20% internal assessment is completed. So now your 20% internal assessment is completed. Or it may be when CBSE will send the circular, will send your marks to the CBSE or maybe upload on the given website. So through this we have conducted your internal assessment for 20% internal marks. Okay, dear? So two activities are left which I want to conduct. First one is project work. So I have assigned the project work or you will make project during the winter break. When from your winter break will start, it will be announced by the sir later on. Okay, if maybe held. Either then if no winter break, so you can make whatever given date will be given by me. Okay. So project work is decided by CBSE, dear student. There will be three topic you will make your project. I will announce the topic. And how do you make your project? This time no model is required. Model is given by the CBSE, but due to the COVID, we are ignoring it. You will make individual file. File minimum 15 pages to 20 pages. 15 pages to 20 pages. Files should be handwritten. Your files should be handwritten. I will send the revised curriculum on your WhatsApp group, or in revised curriculum, your syllabus is given. How to we conduct the map skill, map exam, map item are given, and how to we student will prepare the project. It is also given in your revised curriculum. So I will post the revised curriculum during the evening today itself. So you will make the project file 15 pages minimum, maximum 20 pages. Pages should be handwritten, and examination or school will keep the record for 3 months after declaration of result for RTI or for anyone student who may be asked for the verification. Okay, so these are the our internal information, but you will make the project topic. Okay, why we are making the project for awareness? Student may be aware about the particular topics. So you will make the project for class 10th. Your topics are just wait here. Yes, your project, you will make the project. There are three topics are given for project, and first one is the consumer awareness. You will make. There are three topics: consumer awareness. Second one is the social issues. Social issues, and third one is the sustainable development. sustainable development, you know how to be utilize the resources by without damaging the environment. Sustainable development you will study earlier also. So these are the three topics given, or you will make project on any one. It will be decided by your self individual. You may be choose any one topic. Consumer awareness it given in your book also, consumer chapter. Social issues to related you can make, maybe COVID-19 also is social issues or such any issues. Sustainable development to related you can make the files from 15 to 20 pages, and you will submit after winter break. You may be write 1 or 2 pages per day, so you may be able to complete your file. Front page should be computerized. You know, earlier you have submitted in class 9. You all know very well, you are familiar. No such instruction are required. But after that, little bit information. Your front page should be computerized. Logo means the Birla Shiksha Kendra submitted by whom, name of student, your roll number. Okay, these are the formalities for front page. Your file should be handwritten. Later on, when school will reopen, you will submit your file to the your respective subject teacher. Okay, dear. Now, another one important is the MAP exam. I am sending the list of MAP item, and tomorrow we'll conduct the MAP exam. Okay, we'll conduct MAP test. So be prepared with outline map of India. आपको लग रहा होगा अभी तो PT3 खत्म हुआ है, फिर वापस एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो गया. इट इज द ओनली वन डे एग्जाम डियर स्टूडेंट. One day exam, MAP skill exam, or it is compulsory to attend because we'll keep recording. Okay, we'll keep the record for the internal assessment for MAP and project also. So for your MAP, what are the MAP item? I will post on WhatsApp, and generally like from nationalism in India, Calcutta, Nagpur, different अधिवेशन, different session of Congress held. You will learn Champaran, Kheda movement, and Ahmedabad movement, Amritsar, Dandi movement. These are the contents, major soil types, different dams, and from agriculture, major areas of rice and wheat producer area, largest and major producer of sugarcane, tea, coffee, cotton, rubber, jute, and minerals and energy resources. Power plants should be located. Power plant learn करने आपको, thermal power plant, nuclear power plant. Okay, and from chapter 6, cotton industries like Mumbai, Indore, Pune, Ahmedabad, Surat, Kanpur, Coimbatore, iron and steel plant Durgapur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Vijayanagar, Salem, Jamshedpur, software technological park, Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram. Lifelines of national economy. You will learn the port like Kandla Port, Mumbai, Mangoa, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, Haldia. And international airport you will learn Amritsar, Delhi. Amritsar means the Raja Sasi Airport. In Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad. These are the list of map items you will learn. Or tomorrow we will conduct the exam during the year. This time miss from 1 o'clock to 1:35 during regular classes. Because after 1:50 to 2:50 we are unable to conduct the exam because our practice going on for Christmas. Okay, dear. So these are the today's two topics we have discussed. One is the project, another one is related to map. Because within 1 or 2 days after later on winter break, after discussion or after instruction of government, we will decide to start the offline classes. It may be possible if either then we'll take your classes on the Zoom. So these are the two topics, dear student, today we have discussed. If you want to ask apart from both two topics regarding that, any general information or any queries, you may be asked as a class teacher also.